Slack is launching a built-in AI tool that can do things like summarize threads, recap channel highlights, and search for answers within your messages. In an update on Wednesday, Slack says it will start testing the new feature, called Slack AI, this winter. One of the features that Slack AI will offer is channel recaps, which can automatically generate summaries of messages sent on a particular channel. This could likely help you sift through unrelated chatter and catch up on important conversations you might have missed. The tool will be able to summarize threads, too. Another handy feature coming with Slack AI is the ability to search for answers based on relevant messages, files, and channels within Slack. You should be able to use the tool to review discussions about a particular topic. By asking it a question, Slack AI will then generate a summary of that topic, while including a link to the relevant conversation. You can sign up for the waitlist to access Slack AI here. At Slack, we're taking a collaboration-first approach to delivering an intelligent productivity platform in the age of AI and automation, Noah Desai-Weiss, the Chief Product Officer at Slack, says in a statement. In addition to Slack AI, the platform will also start testing Slack lists in the winter of this year. With this feature, Slack is taking on planning apps like Asana and Airtable by allowing users to track projects across their entire team. That means you'll get to keep track of who's assigned to specific tasks, along with their progress, directly from Slack. It will alert you of any changes to a list through its notifications and allow for dedicated threads about a particular task. Slack is also rolling out a new workflow builder that's supposed to make it easier to integrate third-party apps. Slack started launching new AI-powered features earlier this year, starting with the release of its new ChatGPT bot that can help you quickly write replies to colleagues. The company also introduced a new AI tool that can attend huddles, the name for Slack's audio-only meetings on your behalf, and summarize any important points.